So here we are at the end of January, and Christmas seems a very distant memory of when we were opening up our RC toys on Christmas Day. So with the weather being so bad and everything, I've not been out and about that much, but I have managed to find a load of built-in deals to hopefully bring a bit of warmth and enjoyment to your winter days. Now, GearBest send out loads of these spreadsheets for reviewers to go through, and they are really the most confusing thing ever. You've got all sorts of different things happening, coupons for new customers, etc. But another one I've found is this one here, which is their super coupons. Now this goes on for pages and pages and pages, but there is I found a quick way of actually grabbing all the RC stuff and sticking it all in one area. So what I've done is put it all onto one little spreadsheet. So we've only got 77 lines here total. I've put all the super coupons down in this area. I've put the updated flash sale items here, and then at the top here we've got the promotion page stuff. Explains here how to actually use the spreadsheet, and I'll put a link to this spreadsheet down in description for you. Just to run through it quickly if you're not familiar with it, if you just wanted something in the RC car promotion, you're after seeing what deals they've got available, come over to the URL, you get a hyperlink, left button mouse click on the hyperlink, and it takes you straight through to the page. Now most of these things on these promo things are time or quantity limited, so you just have to get in and get it when you see it. So back onto the spreadsheet, and this works for all these pages here. If you're after something and you just want to have a trove around, simply use these two down here. So this gives you a site-wide access on this one here. And this one here is just for toys and RC hobbies. So if we use these links and then buy anything that's a non-sale item, if we use this coupon code, we get 6% discount on any RC products. If you bought any other items on the actual website, you can simply use this coupon here and you'll get a 5% discount on non-sale items. Onto the flash sale items that have just come out on the 25th. They tend to bring these out every few days, and I'm hoping to sort of update this at least once a week, but I've been away and rather busy this last month, but I'll try and stay on top of it for you. On the bottom of my reviews, there'll be a click into these spreadsheets. Click onto that and then you can just have a look, see whether there's any deals that take your fancy. And one of my personal favourites that they're still running the promo on is the JJRC JJPRO. I like the one with the 3 batteries and the bag, and that's coming in at $159.99. To use the flash sale areas, you just simply hover over again and just simply click through and you'll get it at the flash sale price. So this is coming out at just under 130 quid, and it's basically exactly the same quad as the Bugs B5W. Awesome brushless quad, GPS, literally all the bells and whistles you could want. For this level, I think it's really good. Back to the main spreadsheet, and then we've come down onto this new area I've put in, which is the super coupons area. So the top area here is just got some discount codes up to 20% on products. So when you go through and look at the actual page, it will come up with a full price or a discounted price, and then we will get another 20% off the discounted price. So I don't understand why they do this, why they don't just have everything with these discounts on, but they don't seem to. It's just the way they seem to run their website. If I come down here, I'll show you how to actually use these coupons. So let's pick something like the MJX X708P. On the website it's coming up at $59.99, but we're going to get it for $43.99. We need to copy this code here, so just simply left button mouse click on it, and then right button mouse click and copy, and then use the hyperlink, click through, and then we just simply add this to our basket, come over to view our basket, follow through to the checkout. Now I always recommend you use the shipping guarantee, because if there's any damage or anything missing on it, you actually have cover. I'm going to come over to the promotion code area, left button mouse click, and then right button and then paste or Control V, and then if I press apply, we get it for $46.19, but that includes the $220 for the actual shipping guarantee. If I take that off, you'll see we've actually got it at the discount price of $43.99. You may notice there's a couple here that are sold out. Literally, as I was laying this up, they seem to have some stock, and then when I'd actually check all the hyperlinks, make sure they all work. These two had sold out while I was even doing that. So, and you use the discount coupon codes in exactly the same way. So there we go. I hope you found some built-in bargains in there, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.